big hello to all my wonderful PU1 champions. I hope all of you are doing great. Yes. So my dear children, I am JJ, and most of the times we have heard one very important thing, that is PU1 is tough. PU1 is tough, right? And yes, it is definitely tough, but always remember, you are tougher than that, right? So if first PUC exam is scaring you, this video is exactly for you. I'll be telling you how many hours probably you should be investing in these days. What are the chapters that you should be picking first from each subject, starting from physics, going up to biology. So don't worry, all of it is going to be covered. The resources that you should be referring to, all of it will be covered in this video. And now, one very important thing. Please do not call up your friends and ask, how much have you studied? If at all you do this, the only thing that is going to go high is not your marks, but your blood pressure. So don't do that, okay? I hope that makes sense. Now, talking about the real deal. How many number of chapters do you have? I say 37. 37 why? I've just included physics, chemistry as well as mathematics. Physics 14 chapters, mathematics 14 chapters and chemistry 9 chapters. Apart from that, some people might have biology, 19 chapters, making it a total of 56, right? Apart from that, some people also have computer science instead of biology. So yes, I know the number varies, but basically majority of the children would be having 37 chapters. As I said, physics, chemistry, mathematics are the subjects which are usually there, right? But don't worry, this is going to be for all of you who have taken biology also, okay? I'm a biology teacher. So the daily schedule that you should be having is 12 hours. Why do I say 12 hours? You have 24 hours in a day. If you start from morning 6 o'clock, evening 6 o'clock, until evening 6 o'clock, yes, you have covered a lot. And obviously, I'm not asking you to do it in a stretch. Do we need to do that? No. We need not harm our body, okay? We can take rest and do things. Why am I asking you to study now? Because now we have the examination. After that, there is no point of giving this 12 hours. After that, you can chill pill, right? So as of now, until now, no one told you to study for 12 hours. No one did that, right? But now you have examination. Now you have to make sure whatever time you have to make it right. Is there any point of regretting about it later on once the examination is done? No. Right? So my logic is simple. 12 hours a day, you can make it less, you can make it more, but do not harm your body. Have enough amount of sleep as well, and do not be worried. Just follow the routine. You might get bored, definitely bored, but it's okay. For just few days, we have to adjust. Okay, so basically our slot is divided into 3. 4 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours. So 4 hours of study, ma'am? No. 2 hours. So over here, just a second. So this is a difficult chapter that I have taken up, right? And this difficult chapter, maximum it can go up is what? 3 hours. By 3 hours, I mean that I have done with the concepts and I am basically done with the questions. Questions and the concept should be done within these 3 hours itself. No extra time for that, because you will not find enough time for it later on. And without question practice, if you're just doing concept, you do not know how are the questions being framed. It's of no use. Okay, so put your concepts under practice with the help of solving questions. So this block that you have is for a difficult chapter. I'll recommend you the starting of the day. I will not ask you to go ahead with an easy chapter. Why? This is not a challenge. Solving a difficult chapter, or basically getting through it, is a better thing to do, and morning time you will be a lot more fresher, which is why I recommend you go ahead and solve the difficult chapter out there. Now the next gap, after a bit of gap, okay, so this is just for you to have an understanding. The 4 hours you have to spend, that's all. Have your gap, have your breakfast, whatever you want, 1 hour. The one chapter which is very easy for you. This is like what a reward for you, because you have dealt with a difficult chapter and now you want to go ahead with an easy chapter. Remember, you have your examination in few days. You cannot go ahead with long videos out there. You cannot go out with videos. For example, one chapter is divided into 4 parts and you're watching all the 4 parts just to make your concept strong. No, that's a blunder. Watch a one-shot video, watch a good one-shot video, or read your NCERT properly, whatever is suitable for you, do that and go ahead. Okay, now your one-shot video could be long. It can go up to 2 hours. It's okay. Maximum of 2 hours, it's fine, but not beyond that. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, I hope you got that. Yes, not big long marathons. Okay, so we have done that also. Now again we take a break. We know that we have covered 2 chapters by now. Again, your 4 chapter block is coming. Over here, you're not going to pick any difficult chapter. You're going to pick 2 medium chapters. For 2 hours, 1 chapter, another 2 hours, basically another 1 chapter. Now, medium chapter dealt. Ma'am, only 1 difficult chapter a day? Obviously not. We have to take the next one. So the next 4 hours, you are going to take again a difficult chapter. Now here the time is lessened to what? 2.5. From 3, it is 2.5 now. Okay, it can be a chapter which might be not too much difficult for you, which is why I have kept it like that. And then 1.5 hours, 5 hours for what? A chapter that is medium. In totality, it gives you 12 hours. Now, if at all you are able to crack it. Obviously, I'm not saying that you will be definitely able to do that. No, not all of us are really fast learners, okay? But at least you can give it a try. If at all you give a try, in one day, basically how many chapters are you going to cover? 6 chapters, right? And suppose you have 7 days. 7 into 6, how many chapters would you be covering? 42 chapters, right? 42 chapters. What was our target? 37 chapters. You are beyond that. I'm just talking about physics, chemistry and mathematics over here. But at least you are way ahead. Okay, you are way ahead. Okay, if you include biology also, which has the maximum number of chapters, it is 56. At least you have done 42 chapters by doing this. Okay, if not 7 days are left, if 6 days are left, then what? 36 chapters. My dear children, the only motive is that to make you take forward. That's all. To go forward. You cannot just sit and sulk. That is definitely not a solution. So at least complete those chapters which are really, really important for you. So by this, that's the reason I'm giving you only one easy chapter. This easy chapter might not give you marks. The medium and the difficult chapters might give you marks. Yes, you have to face it. Do it. Got it? But please go ahead. Yes, and have a plan. Without planning, if at all you are studying that, okay, let's see how many chapters we can do it in a day, it does not work. Give yourself targets. Okay, it's not like hourly targets you have to give. No, that I will be completing this chapter and make it realistic. You know yourself better than me. Make it realistic. Make a plan just before one night before you are going to study, and then go ahead in the morning, from the morning until the evening. Go ahead, just cover it up. Have enough rest also. Got it? This is just for your exam days. Apart from that, no one is asking you to study for these long hours, right? Yes, cool. Makes sense, I think, some sense, right? Now the subject flow, recommend you to carry with one subject a day. For example, physics, because that's how it usually goes. If at all you do physics, then chemistry, then mathematics, in a day itself there are chances you might not get the flow of it, which is why I'll request you one day, one subject. So example, day 1 you have taken physics, or whatever subject is super difficult for you. This is something that is totally upon you. You can pick that particular subject. Day 2, whole day you did chemistry, and now again you had physics. Why? Because otherwise you will lose the flow of it. So physics, then again physics. Then again, my dear children, what did you do? You took chemistry. Day 5 and day 6, math or biology. Math or biology. Either one, you can pick it up. Now, you know how many days are left with you. You can plan accordingly. Listen, this timetable is not like hourly, as I always say, morning 8 to 6, I will brush my, 6 to 6:30, I will brush my teeth. Don't do that. Don't do like that. You guys are not small Chunu champions anymore, right? We are all big adults. You're not adults, right? But yeah, we are of age to understand that does not work, right? So please make sure you do not waste your time in doing all those things. Have a target in your head and start off, okay? And do not just complete one subject. We have to focus on multiple subjects, which is why it's not like physics. Oh, you liked physics, you can it. The next day I'll do physics. No, have a balance between subjects. Remember, you have to write all these examinations separately, right? Right. Okay, ma'am. Then now we talk about what are the chapters that you should be focusing on first. I'm saying what are the chapters that you should be completing first. I'm not saying the rest of the chapters should be missed. No, these are the chapters that you should be prioritizing first. In physics, motions in a plane, law of motion, work, energy and power, system of particles and rotational motion, gravitation, motion in a straight line, thermodynamics, oscillation, as well as waves. These are the chapters that you need to cover first. Then probably whenever you have time, you can go ahead with the other chapters which are being mentioned over here. Got it? Yes. Yes, if at all you want to take a screenshot, you can. This is for physics. Now, by the way, guys, Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you have not subscribed to it, because I'm telling you, we are doing a lot for you guys, you're gonna see that. Okay, wait for that also. Fine. Now chemistry, these are the chapters that you should cover first and then go ahead with the other chapters. Chemical bonding and molecular structure, thermodynamics, equilibrium, structure of atom, and some basic concepts of chemistry. First do that, then only go ahead with the rest of the chapters out there. Cool? Yes. For mathematics, the ones that are marked in purple, I think it's not visible to you, so I'll mark it up. Relations and functions, trigonometric functions, and permutation and combinations, binomial theorem, straight line, conic sections, limits and derivations, and probability. And with what I understood from sir is that limits and derivation is a topic from which you can get a 5-marker question. So mostly it comes in. So yes, so please check with this and this. Okay. Trigonometric functions and limits and derivations are the chapters which usually gives you 5-mark the question, so do not miss it out for sure. Yes, so I've marked the ones out there. I hope that works. Yeah, and you can also take a screenshot. Now, for all my biology champions, these are the chapters that you should be covering up first. Cell and the unit of life, cell cycle and cell division, plant kingdom, animal kingdom, photosynthesis in higher plants, respiration in plants, plant growth and development, body fluids and circulation, locomotion and movement, chemical coordination and integration. Do these first and then go ahead with the other chapters which are there. Cool? Works? Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. For CS, I do not have sadly, but yes. Now, do not ignore your MQPs and your PYQs. MQPs means model question paper. So this year they have not given you a new model question paper, which is basically we have to go ahead back and refer to the previous year model question paper. It will definitely give you an idea of what type of questions have been coming, and also PYQs. They're also super important. So whenever I told you that you have to practice questions as in PYQs and MQPs that have come. Right? So that is important. Please do that. And also, if at all you're asking about the books that you should refer, one is NCERT for sure, and another one is Jeevit. Okay, Jeevit, you have the reference book, I hope so. In that, the PYQs are also mentioned. Go ahead and try to do those questions as well. Now, one very important thing. We in our channel have already started off a series. We did it a bit early, thinking that it might be helping you well. And yes, I definitely know that this is a new channel for you. You might be not too much aware of it since we are more into second PUC as well as KCET. But yes, we had done it before the previous year also. So we usually become active more towards examination for PU1. So here we have done so many videos on the 5-marker and the 2-3 marker questions, 1-marker questions for subjects like mathematics, English, chemistry as well as physics. Go check it out. The playlist is there, first PUC 2026, all 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5-marker questions. Go check it out and go watch those videos. It can be helpful for you. These are all free online resources and all of it is recorded format. If at all you want to basically skip some portion, you can. If at all you want to increase the speed, you can. It's all upon you guys, right? And we are planning to bring something like this. Okay, and more to it. It's not just this, something like this and more to it. And if at all you have any queries, that please ma'am or sir, can you bring it a bit early so that we can do our preparation because we have our examination, please let us know in the comment section. Okay, we'll definitely be trying to help you out. And yes, so it goes like this. Math, the fixed questions video is going to come out on Friday, February 6th. Math model question paper. So we are solving the previous year model question paper for you. It is going to come on Saturday, February 7th. Physics fixed questions Saturday, February 7th. And physics model question paper February 8th. Take a screenshot of this, watch these videos as well. Biology fixed questions Sunday, February 8th and model question paper February 10th. Chemistry fixed questions February 9th, and as of now, so chemistry ma'am has a little wound in her leg, which is why this is very difficult for her to record. So we are unsure about the model question paper when it is going to come, but soon we will definitely try our the best to provide it to you at the earliest. Okay, now English fixed questions Monday February 9th, English model question paper February 10th, Kannada fixed question February 10th, Kannada model question paper February 11th, computer science fixed question February 10th, and computer science model question paper February 11th. So this is what we're tentatively planning. If at all you guys have any other wishes, you can let us know. And also we will be doing one day before the exam. So we just have this schedule for Deeksha. Okay, the Deeksha schools, the Deeksha institutions. So we know their schedule and we were planning to go accordingly. But if at all you want any changes in that, please let us know. There will be last minute revision videos as well, which will also definitely help you out. Yeah, so last minute revision videos and passing packages will also be there. Make sure you let us know what do you need, and at the earliest you have to let us know in the comment section. Okay, so that's all, and do let me know if at all this video had helped you in some ways, and please share it with your friends who are not studying but just asking you, Macha, where are you? What are you studying? Okay, and tell them that it's high time to study because you have your examination. So that's all for now. Wishing you all the best, and please take care of yourself. See you really soon with some biology content as well. Bye-bye. Take care.